Since a precise chemical etching process creates a microscopic porous texture of the alloy surface, ensuring optimal adhesion.
The specialized steel breech components are slowly lowered into the vacuum furnace. This precise thermal treatment stabilizes.
Running continuity test on the GAU-8 harness.
Test complete. All circuits report nominal.
High-tolerance hydraulic actuator components necessary for the GAU-8 show rotation and feed mechanism.
A laser interferometer system precisely measures the rotational index, ensuring the timing mechanism is perfectly calibrated.
Precise weight and balance are paramount for flight stability and cannon accuracy once installed in the A-10C Thunderbolt II. All open ports and interfaces on the specialized steel cannon system, including hydraulic and electrical connections, are covered. Following the shock absorption sequence, internal sensors verify the integrity of the specialized steel components. All systems are nominal.
A fine mist of purified water mixed with UVB dye is sprayed onto the seams. UV lights then inspect.
The anti-static layer looks secure on the central assembly.
Confirmed. Ready for transfer to Process B.
This brief hold allows the factory management system to verify the airframe is fully prepared, maximizing efficiency.
The thermometer confirms the GAU-8/A casing temperature is stable and within limits for integration.
Slowly now, don't scratch the casing.
The humidity indicators are clear, ready for integration.
This is the GAU-8 Avenger Cannon system. The completion of Process A means this specialized steel weapon is ready for integration into the A-10 fuselage.
Internal conduits verified clean. Swab test complete.
Confirmed. Ready for installation.
Approaching the cavity now. Easy does it.
Just a few more millimeters down.
Transmitting real-time positional data to the alignment computer, the screen displays minute deviations used to calculate micro-adjustments.
Integrated and secured. Okay, running the system check now. Temperature nominal, rotation speed aligned, fire authorization confirmed. Looks good.
Status indicators are confirming. Light 3 is solid green.
Confirmed on the diagnostics port. Integration successful.
These massive turbofans provide the immense electrical load required to run the specialized
We are initiating the pressure test now.
Pressure is holding steady. We are good to go.
Full travel achieved. Smooth response confirmed. Actuator test complete.
The A-10 Thunderbolt II, built around the fearsome GAU-8 Avenger Cannon, showcases the raw power.
Locking sequence initiated. Secure the lower latches.
Latches engaged. System green.
Station 4, confirmed secure.
Confirmed secure, sending the signal.
Checks complete on the GAU-8. We are green for launch.